YouTube, welcome back to another vlog video. I haven't been posting in a while, I know, unfortunately, but we're back to another vlog and we're gonna be posting because I finally got a new gimbal. I know if I don't post without a gimbal, it's not that good, the videos are not that good, so I'm finally back. And today we're actually abroad, not in Istanbul, we're actually in Yalova, so that is a really good adventure for us. So without further ado, let's start the video. We're at a tourist attraction, and I can put the location in the description for you guys if you guys want to come here. I really recommend come here. There's a lot of different stuff to do. There's rivers, there's also a waterfall over there I'll be going to afterwards, but for now let me show you what you guys can find and what you can do here, because trust me, if you guys come with the family, this place will be awesome. Now for starters, we have, of course, most places have a zip line place, and I'll be showing you from where to where it goes. So the zip line starts from here and you can go all the way. There's a river flowing right underneath you, so you can look at the beautiful river, and it goes all the way into the abyss. Alright, there is safety obviously because it's zip lining and you know it's a business. So yeah, zip lining for starters. Let's move on. Now, if you guys haven't already noticed, there's so many cars here, so you can only come here with a car. Now me and my friends, we came in a bus. So you can also get buses online and you can rent them for a day or two. And the driver can take you to places that you want to go. Obviously not for free, but yeah, you gotta spend money. So I had to come down. It's actually like a slope. There's the zip line I was talking about. Now right over here we have this beautiful river, and you can see there's a few ducks over there, but this is the river I was talking about. Now, of course, you got zip lines, you got a river, you got beauty, you got nature all around you, you got a bridge you can walk on, but this place will not be complete without a restaurant. So you can also find various Turkish foods, and these are very delicious. And of course, it'll be very delicious because it's Turkish food, and if you guys are coming from abroad, from outside Turkey, this will be a very good meal for you. So you can order your food, you can sit down outside in the beauty, and you can have your meal. location, it is a family beach, and it's a decent beach, to be honest. In the last location, we were at a waterfall, a river, a zip line place. So this is the second location. So let me just show you guys around behind me. This is the beach. I'll show you guys around in detail. So without further ado, let's continue.